Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to start with the renovation of the garage, or start of the detailing garage series. And I'm going to start out by pulling out flooring today and see what we're working with. And yeah, let's see how far we get. It's Sunday now, and on Wednesday they're going to replace the garage door, which is now behind me. So both the window thing and the rolling door will be removed, and there will be a proper garage door install. I'm not going to do that myself. I'm going to let them do that. And for the flooring as well, we have to see what we're working with. I have a little bit of stuff here still in the way. I'm going to start from this edge and gonna work my way to the side and then slowly work from left to right to remove everything. There's still some garage stuff over there, and this is all the detailing stuff. This will remain in this room. Don't really have a different space for that. And yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of that whole process and we'll see how far we get. I also ordered some in that cardboard box, there's some privacy foil for the windows. So until above the handle here, there will be, it's this privacy foil that leaves light through and will diffuse the light a bit. It's this white, milky color foil. So we get more diffused light in here and should improve the video qualities also when we start making videos here. So it's enough talking for the introduction. Just let's get started. We are now 34 minutes in, and as you can see, the whole floor is out. So went quite well, and everything's over here now. Couple of strange things, like this extremely safe cable just been slit in the floor and then just went next to the wall and laminate flooring, of course, into a wall outlet. And it seems like we found a drain, which is very nice. I do have to look for a screwdriver or something to get this out, I think. This appears to be a drain. It's very nice. I think looks great for now, but I think this is going to work very nicely. Let's put this back for now, because except for this one, there's also another one a bit more down here, there as well. So we have a small drain which probably connects to that one. Yeah, I'm going to remove this weird cable for now. I'm not going to be using that anymore. Can go straight into the trash. And now we'll take a look at this thing. And let me take you up there to show you what I found. Now, if we loosen this screw, now I don't know how visible this is, but There's just one electrical socket, and the rest is just a plate with like 6 plugs that come falling out of the ceiling at any moment. So I think we have to remove the electrical box first, or at least this wall outlet before we rip the whole cables out of the ceiling. So it's a small change of plans. I don't want to shut the power off now to remove that wall outlet because my wife's working on the other side and everything in the house is on. We're going to have to do this on or turn the power off on Wednesday as well. So I think that's it for this video. We found a lot of some weird cabling that we definitely don't want. Some more weird cabling that we don't want. And some more garage door cabling that we don't want. So we're gonna have to do something with that as well. Yeah, very happy with how the flooring looks like. This is just some poured concrete. So it's a very nice base for some epoxy or vinyl tile or something. And there's also a nice clean edge there for the garage door. Yeah, that's all looking very good. And also we found a drain. That's great. It means we don't have to create that afterwards, because that would have been a lot more work and planning and breaking open the floor and so on. So yeah, very happy with the work that got done today. It's Wednesday now. They'll be here in a couple of minutes to install the garage door. I moved everything around yesterday evening around 10 o'clock. But it's empty, there's space to work. I didn't get to painting or anything else, so we'll have to do that afterwards. Just a quick little update. As you can see behind me, the new garage door is in place and it works, which is also nice. So we now have a fully functioning garage door and it's completely insulated, so it's a lot more comfortable on the inside as well. We still have to do the flooring and the water barrier, but I'm working on that. We are going through some invoices and maybe to a showroom this afternoon. But yeah, new garage door is in, really happy with it, and it looks a lot better and cleaner. So a few things to clean up, like the light over there, and in the end the edges, and just clean it up a bit. So that's going to be it for this video. See if I can get out of the sun. Let's go back indoors. So that's it for this video. Garage doors in, flooring on its way, presumably. We have to see. And in the next part, we are going to continue with the rest of the garage series. Cleaning up the edges. The lights are still in, and the strange ceiling plate is still there. It wasn't in the way, and it blends quite nicely with the ceiling, so it wasn't worth the hassle and the time now to remove it. Preferably, I also would have painted before they placed the garage door, but I just didn't have time. I'm quite tired and really have to look out to not get into another burnout, but I'm trying to manage my time as efficiently as possible and maintain the stress levels. That's going to be a wall outlet, so a new one of this sort we're going to place straight on there, because that's where the ugly outdoor light is placed. We have to remove that as well, and this all cleaned up very nicely. I was expecting some sort of a box here against the wall, but wasn't needed. We have a Bluetooth button for the garage door as well, and I also have it in the home assistance fully automated already, so I can control it by phone or computer or whatever we want. So that's it for the garage door update and this first part of the garage update series. I hope you liked it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my future videos and the rest of this series. And for now, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.